Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and with game day today, you know what you like to eat during the big game. Chicken wings! Today we're going to do a simple recipe of ranch chicken wings, and for that we're going to need a pound of chicken wings, about a packet worth of ranch mix, a tablespoon of garlic, a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, a cup of flour, and enough oil to deep fry those chicken wings. First thing I want to do to prep for our wings is take our cup of flour and mix it into wings thoroughly so that it coats them. Once they're evenly coated, we'll have our oil heat up and put about 6 pieces in to fry up. Just don't want to overload the pan. While those wings are browning up, we are going to take the liberty of mixing our garlic, ranch, salt, and pepper together. Now, there's probably a couple of different ways to mix the ranch seasoning powder over our wings, but the best way they suggested was put it in a large Ziploc bag, let the wings cool down to room temperature, and then pour our mixture into it and shake. And after they are thoroughly mixed together, we will be laying the wings in a single layer on a sheet pan because they're going to be going into our oven for the next 10 to 15 minutes at 350. And when you take them out, they'll be nice, a lot browner, and the coating won't be coming off so easily. Right, it's time to try out our wings, and I personally love wings, so let's go. Gotta honestly say I like these wings. I wasn't sure I would because I'm never the ranch person in the world. That's lyrical. But these have a nice dry rub on them. Now, personally, I would like a little sauce or even a little tiny bit of normal ranch to put on the side. But either way that you eat them, they're totally worth it and delicious. Perfect for that big game you're about to watch later. So no matter who wins, and no matter what you'd have for dinner, these are a perfect side dish or even main dish for them. So you know what you do. Have any thoughts? Have any, made them befores? Leave me a like. Leave me a comment. And I will see you in the next video.